Hi, my name is Nick Glynn, and this is Group One's Use Case 3. So the first task in Use Case 3 was to brainstorm different data sources that we may need for our company. So first, we're going to start with internal data sources. For structureds, we decided on product reports and yearly sustainability reports. For unstructured sources, we decided on consumer comments regarding quality of products and purchase requests to determine what is highest in demand. For external data resources, we chose university websites, ExxonMobil's own website, and social media sources. We could use these internal and external sources for data when we're doing our final projects. The second part of use case 3 was using the data assessment worksheets. So this right here is the business value of potential Exxon data sources. It's a chart. We have data sources down here, which is our sources we described earlier, our product reports, sustainability reports, consumer comments, etc. And then on the x-axis, we have improving product selection, creating more renewable energy sources, improving drilling practices, and sponsoring university research. These are our key metrics here. So the key on this side, if it's labeled a 1, it's not useful. 2 is kind of useful. 3 is very useful. And then 4 is going to be the most useful. For instance, a product report, we decided to be very useful for improving product selection. It'd be pretty useful for creating more renewable energy sources, kind of useful for improving drilling practices, and then again, pretty useful for sponsoring university research. As we go down the list, these different data sources have different levels of usefulness in regards to these different metrics at the top. The next part of use case 3 was using the prioritization matrix. So our 3 metrics here are improving product selection, creating more renewable energy sources, improving drilling practices, and sponsoring university research departments, as I said in the last slide. And we put these in different categories of what's significant, what is urgent, what is insignificant, and what is not urgent. And this matrix will decide what we should do regarding these different practices. We decided that improving product selection and improving drilling practices are significant and urgent. So we should schedule these because they are critical tasks. We decided that creating more renewable energy sources was urgent, but not quite as significant. So we said we need to do these with urgency, but we do not need to schedule these at the moment. Then we decided that sponsoring university research departments was not that urgent and not extraordinarily significant, so that can be put on the back burner for now. The last part was creating a big data strategy document. So here we have our 2022 business strategy for ExxonMobil. Our initiatives are net zero emissions by 2050, developing and deploying scalable technology solutions, reducing corporate-wide upstream GHG emissions intensity, and investing in technologies that capture more than 90% of CO2. The third part of this are key entities and key decisions. Our entities on the left are our customers, products, vehicles, and partner universities. Our decisions we have to make are what kind of products to develop, what practices should be used for producing energy, and what kind of partnerships to utilize. We have our use cases down here is improving product selection, creating more renewable energy sources, improving drilling practices, and sponsoring university research. That is going to be it for use case 3. Thank you so much for watching.